Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice foldable, completely foldable, 100% foldable camping chair that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to tell, I tried it and I think this is a must-have for the camping life this summer season, going to the beach, going to the park, friends and family houses, going hiking, fishing, because it's super convenient to have and really lightweight. I want to say that you can just take it with you on the go just like this and fold it in seconds. Let me actually show you. You strap this right here. Super nice and easy. Once that is done, you're gonna see this, and now it's locked. That's everything you need to do to actually have it unfold and make sure that the legs are secure and locked. And now let's actually build the chair. So once that you have the legs all locked, the next thing you're gonna do is just kind of like extend this poles right here. Comes with 2 poles and locks, so that is one, and the other one you extend it just right here, and then gradually extend the other one first to give it some more room, just like this. And once that is done, you start like extending the next one. So this one right here, after you're done, you make a squeeze right here until it clicks. But last piece of resistance, this pulls right here, one more push, the 2 clicks, and now it is ready to go. So one of the reasons why I think that this is a really good chair for those situations I was telling you before, like camping, hiking, fishing, going to the beach or things like that. Not only because it's super lightweight, as you said before, and easy to assemble. You gotta kind of like make a really strong push at the end for both poles on this top area, but that's pretty much it. It's not gonna be a hassle. But also this right here comes with this mesh, which is gonna be able to, for you to, if you're coming out of the water on the pool or the beach or something like that, to be dripping the water out and not making just like a pool of water right here. It also comes with this really nice pillow for your head. I'm gonna say it in a few seconds. But the best thing about this chair, besides, it actually comes with a bottle holder right here and pocket for your devices, for example, a tablet or a book or something like that. But this chair, believe it or not, super lightweight, foldable and assemble. 600 pounds weight limit. So you can actually sit here if you want, and you can enjoy this chair as a couple. You can have someone sitting with you on top of you or something like that. Or if you're a heavy person, 600 pounds. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna be much cover. But also, once you sit right here, it's so comfy. And it's really nice, kind of like, it's like a cocoon. I want to say like a really nice cocoon for you coming out of the water or just hiking, fishing, camping, putting your bottle right here, your book, your devices, and just sunbathing. Super nice and easy. I like this one. Foldable, extremely easy to fold and unfold back. 600 pounds weight limit, the mesh right here, the pillows, and the holders on the other side. I like it. I give it a huge thumbs up. Must have for the camping life or going to the beach, picnic, camping, hiking, you name it, you need to have this thing. I like it. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.